winter storm warning in effect until 7 p.m. Thursday. Heavy mixed precipitation continuing. Additional snow accumulations of up to 1 inch and ice accumulations of up to 0.2 of an inch. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/ILN, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Winter storm warning in effect until 7 p.m./6 p.m. Central Standard Time/Thursday. For Henry, Shelby, Franklin, Scott, and Harrison counties.
Okay.
Heavy mixed precipitation.
Which fate toned that one again? We might be under it soon. We might be under this winter storm warning here soon. Cool.
Travel conditions to deteriorate rapidly this afternoon and evening due to a mix of sleet and freezing rain. Scattered power outages will be possible overnight. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. In Indiana, for Indiana road conditions, please visit https://pws.trafficwise.org/PWS in Kentucky.
They might actually issue one for Switzerland. Cool.
Goki, Kentucky Gov.
Goki, Kentucky Gov.